Right guys, we've got a new battery. The only problem is it's in the boot of a BMW. It needs to be under the bonnet of an Astra. Let's go. Yeah boy, it's a battery. Couple of 10 mils. Slacken these bad boys off, one on each side. And then we're going to pull these off the terminal. Once licked a battery terminal, had an erection for a week. Wouldn't recommend it. Right, let's pull it out. Right, just cleaning the battery tray up a little bit. Put a bit of paint over this surface rust, I reckon, just to stop it rusting some more. Right, okay, that's new battery in. Terminal's tightened up. Put some grease that was supplied in there on the terminals. Right, we're ready to see if it'll start. Right, so before I'm going to try and start it, let's first off see if we've got power. The interior light's on, so battery is connected and giving us power. So what I'm going to do is, because I've been having to lock it and unlock it with a flat battery and it wouldn't start on the jumper pack, I'm thinking might be some sort of immobiliser issue. So if now with the battery connected, we can do a central locking lock. The other side's locked. Check the boot locked. Right, so everything locked. Give it a minute, and then I'll unlock it all, and that might deactivate an immobiliser. I can see my shadow. Right, it's been a minute or so. Let's see. Right, so everything unlocked on the same. Let's get in. Right, so yeah, that door unlocked. Let's see what we got. Come along for the ride. Ignition lights, some noises. Fingers crossed guys, here we go. Oh my days. We're in. Oil pressure light is on though. That's never a good sign. Where's that oil level? Huh. Okay, we started, but I don't want to run it long with that light on. Might be because of that leak around that unit in the sun. Yeah, that's what I thought. I think there's probably some oil leakage issues, but we're in, guys. It's running. We're ticking over. It hasn't been run for a long time. Right, so what I'm going to do at this stage, pop the hood, because if you remember when it first arrived, there was smoke pouring out from everywhere. So I'm going to keep an eye on that just in case we have issues. Let's go. Right, so we've got our smoke issues back again. Now it's been running about, I'd say 5 minutes. I don't know if the camera's picking it up. But we're somewhere down in here, so I initially thought it was burning oil off from the leak, which is right down the bottom. But it's not on the bottom of the downpipe. So it's more up in this area here. Perhaps it is, but look, it's like it's catching under the heat shield. Maybe it is just oil burning off and then coming up. So I don't think it's anything too dangerous. I'm going to let it run a bit more and see if it burns off and springs out. If not, I'm going to need your help, guys. Well, I've turned it off and let it cool down. The steaming's stopped, but I have noticed something else. So you can see the weeping rad, and if I do that, look at that. I think we need a new rad. It's coming from the joint here, the seal here. Yeah. So I guess we ain't driving it nowhere until we sort the cooling system out. Great. Yeah, so a few discoveries. At least it starts. I just spent the rest of the day cleaning up little bits and discovering more growth. So yeah, not too bad, not too bad. I think we need a new rad. I need to clean up some of this. and then yeah, we'll roll from there. So next episode I suppose will be hopefully a new rad here, and we'll do a cooling system refresh. But yeah, let us know about the smoke if you think it's just oil burning off, and any other tips you can give us for cleaning out moss. See you next time.